Alright, we're ready to assemble the sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast burritos. I'm going to wet the flour tortilla so that the edges will stick together when we roll them. So I'm going to begin by putting the eggs and the red peppers. And with any burrito, the trick is not to overfill it. We're going to do the same with the sausage. Sprinkle a little cheese. Too much cheese and it's going to ooze out when you warm it up. So that looks like about enough. Now my burrito rolling skills are lacking, to say the least. So comment below if you have any suggestions. I'm going to roll that up and put it seam side down. So what we have now is a pan with some melted butter. I'm going to place these seam side down. Allow them to get golden brown on each side. And then we'll put them on a rack and let them cool. The breakfast burritos are done. I grilled them in the pan on each side till they're lightly golden brown. And what I'm going to do now is I will take them with this wax paper, and I will fold it up. Secure it with some tape. And then I'll put these in a Ziploc bag. You can go ahead and freeze them, or you can put them in the refrigerator if you're going to eat them in the next 2 or 3 days. So the options that you have are the frozen Jimmy Dean, and sometimes I see these at Dollar Tree for $1.25 individual packages. This was a package of 4. It was on sale. Worked out to be about $1.25, so same as Dollar Tree. The McDonald's was $2.68, and the homemade ones were about $1 a piece. So if you have the time, you can go ahead and make these. The one nice thing about these is I was comparing the ingredients list, and the Jimmy Dean has a lot of extra additives, salt. McDonald's not quite so much, and the homemade, the only extra additives that you'll see for preservation are in the flour tortillas. Everything else is just clean ingredients. So you can choose $1.25, quick, easy. You can pick a box up and have those for the week. You can go buy McDonald's every day if you want to, or you can make your own. So this is sausage, egg, and cheese burritos. I hope you'd enjoyed this video. Enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you decide to make these and how they turned out for you.